Namaste. Hello everyone. Let us begin our drawings and designs to put in our art portfolio. The art portfolio is for the beginners who are planning to apply for design college. Just by using lines, one can create and draw beautiful patterns. Lines on its own can convey messages in the form of logos and icons. You must have seen the design, the symbol arrow. It's just a line and you know whether to go right, left, turn around. So lines do convey messages. It is used extensively in art and by artists. Just by using lines can create beautiful composition of pictures. So let us begin. So we have come to the end of this video tutorial and I have inserted my drawing inside this file. I will post more video tutorials soon. Until then, bye.